Welcome to your Kenworth driver training, where we'll take a quick look at the key features and benefits of your brand new K220 Kenworth. Let's take a look at the cabin layout. From the day cabs to the 2.3 metre cabin, all the way through to the big 2.8 metre cab, the K220 has a truck for every job. Let's take a look at the layout of the big 2.8 metre cabin. Your truck may be different depending on your specifications, inclusions, truck build and cabin layout. We have seen how to remove the fuse cover in the pre-start and inspection clip. Near the fuse cover, we have convenient storage for your work diary or paperwork, an option for a wireless phone charging pad, drink holders with inserts for different size cups, 12 volt and USB charging ports. The switches in this truck include system and exterior lighting check, rear work lights, lane departure warning, dome light, sleeper bunk light, dimmer control for the dash lights, front and rear axle diff locks, axle interlock, ride height control, hill assist off, traction control, engine fan and hazard lights. Trailer brake. This is not to be used for parking as it only applies the brakes on the trailer. Heating, ventilation and air conditioning controls. Fan speed, temperature and direction of flow is controlled by moving the dial on the outside of the control knobs. Left-hand stalk and controls. Indicators, high beam activation, wipers and windscreen washer, steering wheel and adjustment lock. There is a wide range of movement up, down, backwards and forwards. Headlight switch for park and full beam operation. On the driver's door we have driver and passenger side window controls, door locks and mirror controls, including the heated mirror button. Overhead and in the sleeper we have a range of storage options, and these are completely customisable to suit your needs. At the end of your drive, when the key is turned off, the truck will display a shutdown timer on the digital display. If the vehicle has been at operating temperature, the timer is set at 3 minutes. The thumb scroll on the right-hand switch pod will decrease the wait time by 30 seconds for each click down. Once the key is turned off, tapping the throttle with your foot will override the timer and shut down the engine. Timer settings can also be adjusted in the menu. And that's a quick walk around of the 2.8 metre cabin K220. For more information, check out kenworth.com.au or visit your local dealership.